probability today. All right, probability. Exhibit A. Example A. Okay. Visualize the. If we have a one dice, which actually you call it a die. You have one die, and I roll it. How many sides does one die have?
6.
6. So what's the odds, or what's the probability of me rolling and it landing on a 2?
1.
It's 1 out of 6. Right, 1 out of 6. So that's all we had to do with that. Now, but what's the probability of me having a pair of die and rolling it and getting a 2 and a 2?
2 out of 6.
So that's going to be 1/6 for the 1 2 times 1/6 for the other 2. So you got to multiply it. So me getting a 2 and a 2 at the same exact time, multiplying the two fractions. 1/6 times 1/6 is what?
112.
No, multiplying.
Oh, bro.
1 over 36. So that's a pretty good circle there. Make sure you got that on video. 1 over 36. 1 over 36 is the odds or the probability of you rolling a 2 and a 2. Exhibit B. Probability of me getting, I got 2 die, a pair of dice. Probability of me getting, rolling an even number on the first one. How many even numbers on the first? 3 out of 6. We can reduce it to 1/2, but right now we're not. 3 out of 6 on 1. I want to roll a 3 out. I want to roll even on 1 and get a 1 on the other one. How many 1s are there on the other one?
1.
Good job. So I multiplied the 1/6 times the 3/6 or 1 over 2. So multiplying together, we got 3 over 36 can reduce to. I hear you.
3.
Yeah, ma'am.
No, not today.
Yes, ma'am.
No.
Every day. Every day. Every day that ends with a Y, we're going to say it.
That's every day.
Good job. You said it.
Oh my gosh.
All right. Let's go with another one. Let's go. Let's say, oh, here we go. This is going to go, Coach Cass is drawing. Beautiful, beautiful. That's close to a circle. Close to a circle. Or pumpkin, whatever. We're just going to make it even because I don't draw very well. Oh, this is better than I thought. Yeah. Now we have a nice little spinner. Well, we're at the house and we're playing some game of life and we're spinning the spinner. Okay, now. Yeah, I hear you. Now spinning it, I got to know how many times we're going. Now, I need to get a 3. What is the probability of me landing on a 3? 1 4. Because there's 4 different chances for me getting I got 4 different places, and then 3 is right there, it's 1 4. All right. Now let's go back to my dice over here. Ooh, let me get crazy here. Yes, beautiful. I'm not sure that's dice, but anyway, whatever. Now I have to. In order to win this game, I've got to roll a 3 and land on a 3. So what's the probability of me landing on 3 here? 1/4. What's the probability of me rolling a 3?
1/6.
And what do we need to do with those two fractions?
Multiply.
Amen.
Yeah.
1 over 24. Pretty good. Not great odds, but not too bad. Not too bad.
That's never gonna happen.
Oh, what's gonna happen if I do it 24 times?
Yeah. Are we on exhibit D
No.
now?
Exhibit D. Exhibit D. I hate to even erase that beautiful spinner I just made. Now, for all you card people out there, cards. Does anyone know how many cards are in a deck?
50. 54.
52, right? Alright, we're gonna put 52 cards. Now, how many suits are there? Suits are like hearts and
Oh my gosh.
clubs.
3.
8.
3. I don't know.
Hearts, clubs,
4.
diamonds,
Oh, like that.
spades. Alright, so there are 4 suits. Okay. So how many diamonds are there?
4.
No, remember those diamonds. There's 4.
No, there's 10.
Divide it.
No.
Divide
I
52.
don't know.
52 divided by 4.
I don't know.
I have a calculator.
13 of each. So 13 of each. Now, so let's say
How did I know
how many. I'll get you a visual here as well. How many cards? How many queens are there?
Did you mean of each or
that? There's 4 queens.
Of each. 4 queens, because there's
Okay,
4. There's a queen of diamonds. There's a queen of clubs, queen of spades, queen of hearts. Okay, so there's 4 hearts. So now, if I said I got 52 cards in my hand, which I just have a visual here, and you pick out, what's the probability of you picking out a club?
13. 13 out of 50.
A club. How many clubs are there?
13. So 13 out of 52.
13 over 52, which reduces to
I don't know. 1? Something.
1/4.
I don't know.
Because there's 40 minute suits, so you knew if it was.
Ew, this is crazy.
Oh, okay.
Okay. Last one on exhibit D here. I want to draw I got 52 cards. I want to draw a even numbered spades. Okay, first of all, how many spades are there?
4.
No, how many spades are there?
There's 13.
13 spades. Alright. Even number. So how many even numbers are there in the spades?
Wait, that's not including
2, 4, 6, 8,
10.
10.
5.
So nothing else higher than that because there's no numbers. So there's 5.
5 and 13.
There's 5 even number spades in the whole deck. And how many does the whole deck have?
52.
Can we reduce 5 over 52?
No.
Probably not.
Probably not.
Yeah,
I'm going with not.
no. Okay.
Exhibit E.
Is there E?
This is crazy.
I'm so awesome. Yeet.
You're wrong.
I'm gonna run backwards 3. Oh no, that was the wrong.
How are you doing that? You did something wrong. Roll 2. I'm writing all this.
Okay, roll 2 dice, get an even number on one, then roll a 5 on the second one. Okay. So I got, just think about 2 dice, or 2 die. So really it should be just 2 die, but anyway. I'm rolling 2, I got a pair of dice. First one I roll, I gotta get an even number. The second one I roll, I gotta get a 5. So break it down in 2. What's the probability of me getting an even number?
1, 3, 6.
And we'll reduce it to, alright. What's the probability of me getting a 5?
1 out of 6.
Yeah, 1 out of 6, and due to contrary belief, it's not 5 over 6 because it's not just because it's number 5 doesn't mean you put a 5. It's only 1 5 on there. There's a half a chance of me getting an even number. Multiply the 2 fractions, and I get
112.
yay math.
Yeah, 1 in 12. Wait, so if you do that 12 times, you're gonna get it? I think that's not right.
You think wrong because the math says you're going to get it.
Yeah, but like, what if you do the same
Never
thing
gonna get it.
twice?
Well,
Yeah, we're gonna, oh, the odds are you get 1 out of 12.
Do you have TikTok or something?
But that doesn't mean that if I.
No, that doesn't mean 12 times you're gonna get it, but it could mean the first time you do
Are
it.
you a TikTok?
Hey guys, can I see your TikTok?
TikTok.
Please, no.
Or Musical.ly.
I don't know what TikTok means.
TikTok.
TikTok.
I can sing now.
Okay, sing. Come on. Coach Caps.
Rainy days and Mondays always get me.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, yeah.
Alright, cut.